Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about Rania reviews? If yes, so watch the video till then because this online review and unbiased review will help you to decide either you should shop from this store or not. So let's begin with our video and its detail. It is an online shopping destination for a new collection of clothes options including dresses, tops and many more. The site is offering options for only for females with wide choices. If you are looking for one kind of shop where you can buy various collection, this store is for you. It offers a huge sale on different products, but before making any online shopping nowadays we recommend you to check out the legitimacy of the website. It is https secured website created on 30th May 2021. They are dealing with women clothing including tops and dresses. They have mentioned contact details. Official address have been mentioned. The payment method for shopping they are accepting are PayPal. You can return the product within 30 days of purchasing. It is present over the official portal regarding its refund rule. You can exchange the product within 30 days. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $79 and above. They have mentioned their social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. The positive point of shopping from Rania.com are the company provides a money bank guarantee. Female fashion with various themes is purchasable. Every product on the website is on sale. The website is valid because it is SSL certified. Gateway includes social media accounts such as Facebook and Instagram. The system also provides all policies such as return, refund, and exchange on official site. The negative point of shopping from Rihanna.com are just PayPal is acceptable as payment method by the organization. The online marketplace is not well known. It has been created 2 months back and it is already giving outrageous saving. The reviews are nowhere to be seen. So the question is Rihanna legit? As the popularity of online portal grows worldwide and in other parts of the world, various new online stores are popping up. So you must check out the detail regarding the online store. So as we have discussed, it was launched on 30th May 2021. Its trust score is just 1%. Moreover, we are unable to find Alexa ranking because it is not much popular website. Over the official site website, customer reviews are missing, and moreover we could not find any customer review on the social media icon. The website seems plagiarized content, which is not a good sign. The portal lacks social media presence, which is important for any site legitimacy check. So in our final conclusion, we can say that no doubt the website is the latest portal offering women clothing across United States with huge options for women. Based on the reviews, we advise our viewers to stay away from this portal as it seems suspicious and not trustworthy for buyers. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience with us. We love to hear from you. Write in the comment box regarding your experience of shopping from this store.